This man opened his restaurant and started the day, like always, calm and routine. He was getting everything ready when he noticed a hungry cat watching him through the kitchen window. He smiled but kept working. Once everything was done and the restaurant was almost ready to open, he went back to the kitchen and prepared some warm meat just for her. Then he stepped outside and gently fed the cat by hand. Piece by piece, she ate with so much trust and joy, her eyes shining with real happiness. If moments like this mean something to you, consider subscribing.